channel, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Sheh. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm so glad because I want to continue the decorating for fall season in our entryway and our bathroom. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright friends, first of all I want to start with the wreath in our front door by replacing it with one I purchased at TK Maxx. After that, I wanted to customize this handwork. I made it when I did the entryway makeover by simply changing the florals. So I found these dried florals in our supermarket. Then I thought to add to give a simple touch of fall. Then I want to tackle this entryway rack. Actually, it's the IKEA Kallax unit to put together as one. It's super practical for us. We can store a lot of things. And for the right side, I'm bringing this stack of books to give an height, and also this candlestick I purchased in TK Maxx a couple of months ago. And then as the third part, I wanted to DIY an aged bead garland. Wanted to give the beads an illusion of a stone structure, so I picked these paints which I already had in hand and used this wet sponge to give a color to these wooden beads. I randomly made these beads into groups, into categories, and painted them different colors using 2 paint colors at a time. And using this jute cord, I wanted to put all the beads together as a garland. First, I tried the garland by making 2 knots in between 2 beads. Later, I realized it's not so nice looking, so I decided to remove all the knots and just make a plain bead garland. Honestly, in this side there is no any fall touches, but this wooden bead garland gives a bit of a fall touch in my opinion. I added this black candlestick to give a bit of a height and to coordinate with our huge mirror in the center. And also I picked this gray books to coordinate with the vase I'm gonna use in the middle of the entryway rack. I'm using this greenery as the base for this floral arrangement, and I really love the color, the moody green color it has. To bring a bit of variety, I'm using this greenery, which is not so moody but in between summer and fall. And for the entryway, I'm using this color, this orange brown in between color tone to our entryway. So I'm using this as the floral for this arrangement. And for the right side, I'm using the same accent vases I used for my entryway makeover. I didn't want to overboard the decoration, wanted to keep it simple and minimal. And for this bench, I'm changing our pillow cover to a brown tone one. Actually, I wanted to remove this basket from the wall, then I thought it would be so empty there. So simply adding a branch from fall season would give some fall vibes over there. Alright friends, that is pretty much the front part of the entryway fall decor for 2023. Just simply adding some touches here and there would change the vibe of the space, I hope. And there is another shelf in the corner of our entryway, and now it's time to decorate for the fall. As this space is closer to our living space, I added some maroon touches for our living room, so I wanted to continue that in this corner as well. So I added a small branches for that vase arrangement. And lantern and candles are always bringing warmth to the space during the fall season. So I'm using this candle which I used in the living space on our dining table, which was not so fitting with our toddler. And I thrifted this fall potted arrangement, and I'm bringing that color again to the second shelf, a candle, and I found this bell also in TK Maxx for a really good price, so I'm bringing that as well. And I'm bringing this gray tone lantern for the fourth shelf. Alright friends, time to decorate our bathroom. It's not so a big space, so I don't want to bring a lot of decoration and make it so tight and compact. In this arrangement, I'm mixing both artificial and natural elements from outside the garden. Pumpkins are always an accent pieces in terms of decorating in the fall season. I found this in a budget-friendly shop. It was full white, so I wanted to paint the top part with some brown painting while I was doing some other DIY project. And as the third element, I'm bringing this pumpkin and amber flavored candle to give a smell in our bathroom. And for the hand towel, I'm using this neutral waffle textured one to keep it simple. I'm bringing this amber glass bottle hand soap and also a hand cream which goes with the theme. And as a storage for the toilet papers, I'm bringing this basket to bring a warmth to the space. Thank you so much friends for taking your time to watch my video. I hope you would have enjoyed and got some inspiration for your decorating as well. Until I meet you in another nice video, bye bye and God bless you.